Imagine facing an armada with just one ship. Against all odds, the Portuguese did just that in the Battle of Aceh, 1569. In May 1569, the Portuguese Empire faced the Sultanate of Aceh. The Portuguese, led by Mem Lopes Carrasco, had only one carrack, while the Acehnese fleet had over 240 ships. The Acehnese fleet was preparing to attack Portuguese Malacca when they spotted the lone carrack. With no wind to escape, Carrasco and his crew were forced to defend themselves. The Acehnese fleet surrounded the carrack, bombarding it with cannonballs. For 3 days, the Portuguese fought back valiantly, using their superior artillery skills and strategic positioning. On the second day, the Acehnese attempted to board the carrack, but the Portuguese defenders repelled them, forcing them back into the ocean. Despite the overwhelming odds, the Portuguese held their ground. By the third day, the Acehnese fleet, suffering heavy losses, was forced to retreat. The Portuguese emerged victorious, their lone carrack standing strong. After the battle, the Acehnese fleet retreated with 40 fewer ships and called off their attack on Malacca. Mem Lopes Carrasco and his crew repaired the damaged carrack and continued their journey.